What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com coming in 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central. Two boxes for you tonight, but first two bad break drawings for last night's breaks, giving away two $10 promo codes. Here we go, first drawing number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the first winner is Ashley. And second drawing, number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the winner is Robert R. We'll start off tonight with the Totally Certified. Both of them going to be divisional breaks. We'll randomize it 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And there's the roster for the Totally Certified. Alright, good luck, everybody. Big Ben, Ryan Tannehill, gold parallel, 25 out of 25. Dolphins going to Ryan P. Jadeveon Clowney. Rookie autograph for the Bengals, Jeremy Hill. Bengals going to Michael C. Congratulations, Spacer and Richard Sherman. Doug Martin, Andre Ellington, Frank Gore, Connor Shaw. Rookie jersey patch for the Bucks, Mike Evans. Bucks going to Joshua W. Pierre Garcon, EJ Manuel, Joe Flacco, CJ Federwitz. And a rookie patch for the Eagles, Matt Barkley. Eagles going to Michael C. 17 out of 100. There's a spacer. Kendall Wright, Julio Jones, Larry Fitzgerald, Bradley Roby, and a rookie auto for the Vikings, Anthony Barr. Vikings going to Robert K. Congratulations, and that'll do it for the Totally Certified. Up next, we have the Prime. Another divisional break. Here we go, number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. right, good luck, everybody. Sean McCoy, Jamal Charles, Frank Gore, Terrence West. Rookie quad patch for the Jags, Allen Robinson, 74 out of 99. Going to Jamie and Jadeveon Clowney. Ryan Matthews, Percy Harvin, Kendall Wright, Jason Morrow, Aaron Rodgers, Sammy Watkins. Darrell Revis, Cecil Shorts, Torrey Smith, Wes Welker, Alfred Morris, Anthony Barr. Victor Cruz, Le'Veon Bell, Reggie Wayne, Khalil Mack, Larry Fitzgerald, Teddy Bridgewater. Terrell Suggs, Roddy White, Phillip Rivers, Eric Berry. Autograph for the Broncos, Money Ball. Broncos going to Curtis tonight. Congratulations. Rookie gold parallel for the Saints, Brandon Cooks, 29 out of 250. Saints going to Joshua W. Richard Sherman, Vincent Jackson, DeAndre Hopkins, Reggie Bush. Redemption for an Auto Relic Prime Level 5 Copper Parallel. Going to Seahawks receiver Paul Richardson. Seahawks going to Pete tonight. Congratulations, Pete. And Eric Ebron. Cordero Patterson, Russell Wilson, Brian Hartline, RG3, Matt Bryan, Jason Morrow, Andre Johnson, Von Miller, Brandon Marshall, Clay Matthews, Luke Kuechly, and Logan Thomas. Sean Lee, Alshon Jeffrey, Mike Wallace, Sheldon Richardson, Jamal Charles, DeAnthony Thomas. Allen Robinson, Jordan Cameron, Jordan Reed, and a rookie 3-color patch for the Jags, Marquise Lee. Going to Jamie. And that will do it for tonight's breaks. We're back tomorrow with a 15-box case break of the 2014 Playbook Football. Always a fun one. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.